Yo. Yeah, what's good, yeah. Oh, let me turn this AC up. But I was trying to record earlier today. It's already like 6:40. So I'm trying to record in the daylight. But it was hot as shit, bro. It was like so hot. Like I could have probably gone out with go out with a sundress, bro. I could have wore a sundress today. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all want to see me in a video wearing a sundress, you know. See that shit, if y'all like that shit, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you know what I'm saying, maybe I look thick. You know what I'm saying? On some cool shit, no homo, you know? No homo shit for real. But yeah, man. I know. Well, what's it called? What the fuck? What the fuck? I can't speak right now. Nah, I'm playing. Alright, back. Alright, let me. You know, so I just got a new SIM card. Supposedly it's better. And then I updated my settings on my GoPro. So hopefully they're better. And oh my fuck. Damn. And no wonder my graphics were kind of shit. Cause I was watching a YouTube video and it was saying that the GoPro is pretty bad in the nighttime. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to get a phone stand or something. So at nighttime I'll record with my phone. But that's just gonna be crazy cause right here I got it like on my hat, you know what I'm saying, on my hat. And so shit, we're gonna thug it out with this for a minute. It's not nighttime, so hopefully this shit is not garbage. It's not garbage. Man, how y'all been? How y'all been? How y'all been? You know what I'm saying? I've been locking in this week. You know what I'm saying? This week. It's already the end of the week. You know what I'm saying? We gotta finish it off with a bang. You know what I'm saying? And then tomorrow we start up with a bang. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I've been going out to run this week. Shit. So any bad bitches out there, you know what I'm saying? I've been going out to run and shit, so, you know what I'm saying, my line and shit, you know, yeah, alright, here we go. Fucking beautiful. Oh yup, I want to go straight. Oh fuck it. Oh my god, bro, you hear them fucking pops, bro? You just want to fucking, oh my god, you just want to just pull one out, bro, right now. You just want to just do one out right now, bro. Fuck, man, what the fuck? Man, I've been a little bit quiet, man. I'm a little kind of shy, you know what I'm saying? I'm kind of shy, yo. I'm kind of shy. So like, you know what I'm saying? I be talking too much in my videos, so like, I'm trying to cut it. You know? And then You need to cut it. You need to cut it. P. Diddy, you need to cut it. Oh shit. Fucking cop comes this way, I go that way. Boom, we taking off that motherfucking shit. Better not be no bike either. You need to cut it, oh shit. I'm a Hellcat, look at this. Oh my god, goodness, God gracious, man. I'm gonna go to work at 7-Eleven. Needs a new beer bag. Needs a new people at the 7-Eleven to get that. I'm just a brown boy driving a Camaro. My name is not Javier, no more, it's Rihan. Oh shit. Oh shit, I just oh fuck, bruh. I gotta stop playing, man. Shot playing, shit ain't shit. Hey, I just put feet. Alright, bro, let me chill. I'm wilding out. And I ain't even talking about the show. Alright, bro. That shit not hit right. Oh, I can't even see who behind her. Oh, I'm about to internet crash. I can't even see who behind her. Thinks I'm a dog. Wait the fire! Wait the fire! I only did it for him. He was like, yeah, push that shit, push that shit. Risking the cops out here. Bro, I'm driving through all colleges, bro. Is this a sign? They gonna think I'm shooting up this. They gonna think I'm just shooting up my car, bro. That's what I was about to say. Like my car just shooting flames. That's, you know what I'm saying? That's what they were gonna think, that my car is shooting up flames. I'm a demon at this motherfucking driving shit, bro. God. Yo! fuck up. Holy shit, boy. Move out of the fucking way, dude. Alright, let me lock in. There's traffic here. Stuck like that. Now I was thinking I stayed in that. Switch lanes like that. Nah, that is some GTA ass shit. That is some GTA ass shit. He just switched lanes onto my lane. Buddy, you was on the far left lane. Stay on that motherfucking lane. Ends here, bro. That's a little, you know what I'm saying, little test, little chest, you know shit. Look, I can't give you the full sauce, cause then if I give you the whole shit, y'all not gonna want no more. You already got enough taste of it. Y'all gonna be like, ah, this shit ass, this shit mid. I gotta leave y'all on the edge, you know what I'm saying? I gotta leave y'all on the edge and be like, nah, that was some light shit. That's some light shit. I need some more hard shit. I promise you, I could do some more hard shit than that. I've been cutting up lately, you know what I'm saying? I've been cutting up lately, and I've been cutting out some stupid crazy shit, bro. So like, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna definitely do a fucking full-on cut-up video. Full-on cut-up video, no talking, no yapping. Just straight cut-ups. Just straight intro and straight cut-ups. And let's see. And then I'm gonna try to like do some other shit too, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do some corny shit. Some corny shit that should hit. You know what I'm saying? It's not really corny shit. It's just like, it's just some like viral vids that people be doing, like with their cars and shit. Saying you know what I'm saying? You just gotta follow the footsteps and see if it hit or not. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna just start doing shit. Cause this POV and this just going to the track, just those two things, I can't rely on that shit. That shit's, I gotta have variety. So, you know what I'm saying? End of the video. I'm about to get my food. We go end it in the tunnel.